Dear students, I think that we are studied syllabus of 12th standard chemistry. There are total 16 topics. Out of these 16 topics, second topic is solution. Today we are discuss this second topic, solution. We are studied introductory part of this topic, started from mixture. I think that from high school we are studied mixture. When we are mix two or more substance, then it gives either mixture or compound. What difference between mixture and compound? The mixing two or more substance are non-reacting with each other, then it gives mixture. But mixing two or more substance are reacting with each other, then it gives compound. It is very important in case of mixture, combining substance must be non-reacting with each other. We are interested in this topic is mixture. Then types of mixture. Mixture are of two types. One is homogeneous mixture and another one is heterogeneous mixture. What difference between homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture? A mixture in which components, that is mixing substance of this mixture, are easily separated by using physical methods, then this mixture are known as heterogeneous mixture. If components, that is mixing substance, cannot be easily separated by using physical methods, then this mixture is known as homogeneous mixture. In this topic we are interested in homogeneous mixture. This homogeneous mixture are further classified into three types on the basis of particle size of mixing substance. Homogeneous mixture are classified into suspension, colloids. This colloids, it will be studied in 11th standard. Topic is adsorption and colloids. And third one is solution. That is homogeneous mixture are classified into suspension, colloids and solution. Truly, suspension and colloids has particle size of mixing substance is large. Therefore, truly these two types are not homogeneous mixture, but it is heterogeneous mixture. But solution is of homogeneous mixture. We are interested here in solution. Definition of solution: a homogeneous mixture of two or more non-reacting substance is known as solution. In case of solution, the mixing substance must be non-reacting and mixture will be homogeneous. Example of solution is air. Air contains different gases. Like we know that air contains 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Both are non-reacting with each other. Therefore, air is homogeneous mixture of more than one gases, and it will be acts as a solution. Components of solution. Solution are homogeneous mixture of two or more non-reacting substance. These non-reacting substance are known as either solute or solvent. Then which substance are known as solute and which substance are known as solvent? The non-reacting substance which are present in solution by smaller proportion of weight are known as solute, and the non-reacting substance which is present in larger proportion by weight in solution are known as solvent. Here we are take example sugar solution, that is tea we are taken in the morning. During preparation of tea we are first take larger quantity water and then add it smaller quantity of sugar. The larger quantity of water in solution, it will be acts as a solvent, but smaller quantity of added sugar, it will be acts as a solute. That is, in solution the substance present in smaller quantity, it will be solute, and the substance which is present in larger quantity, it will be acts as solvent. Sometimes solution contains more than one substance. At that time, which substance are known as solute and which substance are known as solvent? If solution contains more than one substance, then the substance which is present in larger proportion, it will be acts as solvent, and in solution solvent is always only one, but remaining substance present in solution all are known as solute. Solute will be more than one. We are take here example of tea solution. In tea solution we are take larger quantity water, then we are add smaller quantity sugar, smaller quantity tea powder and smaller quantity milk. In tea solution water is larger quantity, therefore it will be acts as solvent, and remaining all, that is tea powder, sugar and milk, all are known as solute. Next article is types of solution. In our book, so classification of solution, it will be given on only one base, but I am discuss here classification of solution, it will be more than one basis. First we are studied classification, that is a types of solution on the basis of number of components, that is number of substance present in solution. On the basis of number of components, solution are classified into binary solution, ternary solution, quaternary solution. First we are studied binary solution. A homogeneous mixture of two non-reacting substances are known as binary solution. That is, solution are formed from only two substances, one solute and one solvent. Then this solution are known as binary solution. In chemistry, 99% solutions are of binary. Next type of solution is ternary solution. A homogeneous mixture of three non-reacting substances are known as ternary solution. That is, a ternary solution is mixture of three substances. Out of these, two solutes and one solvent. Such solutions are known as ternary. Next one is quaternary solution. A homogeneous mixture of four non-reacting substances are known as quaternary solution. In quaternary solutions, there are three solutes and one solvent. This classification, it will be studied by taking one example, lemon juice. During preparation of lemon juice, first we are take water solvent, then we are add sugar, then homogeneous mixture of sugar and water, it will be binary solution. Then we are add lemon, that is citric acid, then homogeneous mixture of water, sugar and lemon, it is known as ternary solution. And then we are add finally salt. Then there will be four substances. One is water, sugar, lemon and salt. Formed solution is of quaternary solution. Second base on which solution are classified into two types. That is, on second basis, types of solution are of two types. First one is dilute solution and another one is concentrated solution. I think that in our lab we are see two types of solutions. Before the name of some solution, it will be written dilute, and before the name of some solution, there will be written concentrated solution. Then which solution is known as dilute solution? A solution in which solute is present in smaller proportion, this solution is known as dilute solution. But in case of some solutions, solute are present in larger proportion, then this solution are known as concentrated solution. Then third base on which solution are classified into 9 types, it will be given in our board syllabus. This classification, it will be on the basis of physical state of solute and solvent. That is, taken solute and solvent, it will be present in which physical state, that is solid, liquid or gas. Solutions are classified into 9 types. Out of these 9 types, we are first studied. First type of solution is solid in solid. It indicates that physical state of solute, it will be solid, and physical state of solvent, it will be solid. That is homogeneous mixture of solid state of solute with solid state of solvent, and such solutions are known as solid in solid. Example are alloys. We are studied different alloys: brass, bronze, German silver, silver solder, die casting, steel. We are discuss here steel. Steel is homogeneous mixture of aluminium, chromium, iron, etc. This aluminium, chromium, iron, all are solid metals, and they are mixed with each other and to form alloy. That is, all alloys are example of solid in solid. Second type of solution is liquid in solid. It indicates that liquid state of solute, it will be mixed with solid state of solvent and to form a solution known as liquid in solid. Example is amalgam. During preparation of amalgam, we are taken one liquid state metal is mercury. Example is sodium amalgam. In sodium amalgam, we are taken liquid state of mercury solute, and it will be mixed with solid state of sodium solvent and to form sodium amalgam. And these amalgams or all amalgams, it will be act as a solution of liquid in solid. Third type of solution is gas in solid. In this solution, gaseous state of solute, it will be homogeneous mixed with solid state of solvent. Example is pumice stone. Such a stone, it will be found near to sea. This stone has various pores, and in these pores, gas will be trapped in solid stone, and example will be gas in solid. Fourth type of such classification is solid in liquid. In this type, we are add solid solute in liquid solvent. There are various examples. Generally, always we are prepare solution in which solid is added in liquid. We are take common example, that is NaCl, it will be added into water and then formed a solution is solid in liquid, because NaCl is solid in state and water is in liquid state. Fifth type of such classification is liquid in liquid. Indicates that liquid solute, it will be added in liquid solvent. There are also various examples, that is alkaline water, kerosene in petrol, diesel. We are discuss alcohol in water. That is, alcohol is liquid state. Water is in also liquid state. Needs homogeneous mixture is example of liquid in liquid solution. Next, sixth type is gas in liquid. That is, gaseous solute, it will be mixed in liquid state of solvent. Formed solution are known as gas in liquid. Examples are aerated drinks or carbonated drinks. Generally we are says that cold drinks, that is thumbs up, Coca-Cola, it contains carbon dioxide gas. It will be dissolved into sweet water. An example of gas in liquid. Next, seventh type is solid in gas. That is, solid solute in gaseous solvent. Dust. Fine drops of dust cannot be seen by naked eyes. It will be present in air. That is, dust in air are example of solid in gas. Eighth type is liquid in gas. That is, liquid solute, it will be mixed with gaseous solvent. Example are moisture. We know that fine drops of water, it will be present in air which cannot be seen by naked eyes, and there will be homogeneous mixture of water drops and air. Therefore it is example of liquid in gas. Last, ninth type is gas in gas. We know that gaseous solute, it will be mixed with gaseous solvent, and example is air. Air contains different non-reacting gases. There will be homogeneous mixture. All are gas. Therefore gas in gas. And air is example of gas in gas solution. Out of these 9 types, in this topic we are studied 2 types. One is gas in liquid and another one is solid in liquid. Details.